Today, I will be building a home library modeled after the IKEA Billy Bookcase. However, I will be building mine from scratch because nothing is more satisfying than sitting down with one of your favorite books, a hot coffee, and reading next to a bookcase you built yourself. The first step is to cut the lumber. I'm using 3/4 inch walnut plywood and a Craig rip cut. For coloring the wood, I like the color Candlelight, but it doesn't look good on the oak. So I'll use American Walnut on oak and Candlelight on the walnut. To cover the plywood edges, I'm applying the walnut gel stain and painting it on for an opaque finish. After staining, I'm using a satin polyurethane as a top coat. I use a foam brush to apply it evenly and then sand with 400 grit sandpaper between coats. To assemble, I am simply using some brass corner braces and screwing them in place. I love the way it turned out. The color is warm and inviting, and the grain pattern of walnut simply cannot be beaten. I've collected many books from estate sales and bookstores and school throwaways, and now I'm glad my books have a place to shine. See you next time.